This is Matt. I'm going to show you how to put together a speed cable jump rope. I'm going to start with two handles that are called ultralight handles and a cable that's our bare wire cable, 1/16 of an inch, real popular with speed jumpers and those who are doing double unders. I'm going to place that cable end through the holes, the handle, and then I'm going to take an adjustable screw, which is just a collar with a Phillips head on it, and place it over the end. Tighten her up. At this point, I would measure it to make sure it fit me correctly. I'd get up and do my measurement, and then I'd see where to cut it off. I know that these cables come at 9 feet, so my perfect rope is 8 feet 6 inches. So I'm going to go ahead and release this. I'm going to take 6 inches off here. I'm going to retighten that adjustable screw again, leaving about 1 inch. Now it's almost ready, except sometimes on these bare wire cables the end of the cable can spread and it can poke you and can unwind. It can be a problem. So what we do is we supply a crimp, put it over the end, take either a pair of pliers or your cable cutter and crimp down on it a couple times, and now it's permanent on there. So that's how you put together a cable wire speed rope. Very simple and easy. Thanks.